How to restore your Microsoft SharePoint data via a backup snapshot. Your business-critical SharePoint data is vulnerable to data loss due to malware, ransomware, human and system errors, and malicious deletion. In a recent study, it was found that 81% of companies surveyed lost Microsoft 365 data, and only 15% were able to recover it without a third-party backup service. In this video, we will show you how to restore your data quickly and seamlessly with Cloud Ally's backup, which reduces downtime and ensures business continuity. Cloud Ally Backup offers multiple recovery options, including point-in-time and using granular search with keywords. You can also recover across users and organizations. You do need an activated backup with Cloud Ally to be able to recover your data. Recovery via backup snapshot. If you choose to restore or export using the snapshot option, enter the date range of the data that you would like to restore in the Data Changed From and To fields and press Continue. The list of backup snapshots within that date range is displayed. Select the one that you want to recover. Alternatively, you can click the magnifying glass in the Action column to drill down into the snapshot and view the structure of the backed up data. You can even look inside the folders to find the exact information you are looking for. Once you select an item, the Restore and Download buttons become available. How to restore your data. Click Restore, and you will see this confirmation screen. Do you want to restore to another tenant? If so, provide the address of the administrator, the password, and the site to restore to. Do you want to perform a non-destructive backup, where the restored files are added to a new folder with a blue label indicating that they have been restored? Or do you want to perform an in-place restore? You have three options for doing so. Overwrite the existing live data. Only restore new files. Existing files will not be overwritten. Or add the restored files to the existing files. When you have completed the confirmation form, click OK. The backup data that you selected will be restored to the location that you specified. When the recovery process is complete, a summary will be sent to your email. You can also check the Jobs page to see the progress of your restore task. In this Microsoft SharePoint video, you learned how to use the Snapshot tool to locate the exact backed up data you would like to recover, and then to restore it. Click on the links after this video to learn more about exporting and itemized searching of Microsoft SharePoint data. Thanks for watching.